Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is nodes. So these can be like computers that participate in the transactions, like the crypto blockchain transactions. So as always, we line up the letters and the NODES, so nodes. Then we find the corresponding Morse codes on the screen. I don't know if they are lined up properly. Let me try to pull back this. Can you see it properly? Let me see there. Okay, then we first find N. N is here, so we shall long press and tap. Long press and tap. Then we find O. We shall long press, or it's long press. Then we find D. D is this, long press, tap. D is long press, tap. Then we find E. As always, it's very simple, you just tap. Then we find S. S is here, tap 3 times. S, tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter in the Morse code. As always, click here in the middle where you're seeing Daily Cipher. Click there. Then we start with N. N, it's long press, tap. Then O, long press. Then D, long press, tap. Then E, you tap once. Then S, tap. And the word is nodes. Lastly, click on take the price and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.